What are control structures? A control structure is a block of programming that analyzes variables and chooses a direction in which to go based on given parameters. The term flow control details the direction of the program takes, which way the program flows. That's according to Wikipedia. There are several control structures in C++. They include if-else statement, the for loop, while loop, and the switch statements. So for today we are going to start with the if-else statement. Now we are going to declare a variable. So int x, then c. Okay, if-else statement, we can assign this variable a value, e.g. 67. Then we can test this variable if condition. I want to just give you the structure. Do if condition is okay, then else do okay sorry do if condition is not correct. So this is a basic structure of an if-else statement. What does it contain? It contains two parts. First of all, there's this if, then it checks if the condition inside this bracket is true, then the line in the code inside the first curly brackets will be executed. If the condition is not true, then else the then else statement will be considered. Now the code inside the second curly brackets will be executed. For example, if I check if x is greater than or equal to 5, is it? If it's greater, we can just print out okay. We don't know what's happening. Okay, now let's run this line of code. If x is greater than 45, then this will be executed. If it's less than 45, then the second line of code, the code inside the second curly brackets will be executed. So we expect it to print out 45 since 67 is greater or equal to 45, so it should print out. Okay, so okay, you can see it has printed out. Okay, now let's change the value of x to be 7. Now it says not okay. Now it means that that condition ceased to be true. Now on the next code chapter, we'll start with the if else if statement. So thank you.